Cool. So we got our sentiment score. Now what we want to do is go to our history page and grab the sentiment score for every single entry. For now, we'll just get every single entry. Eventually, probably want to do it like, give me last week's, or however you want to plot it. There's really, it's up to you. So we'll do that. Get data, it's async. And we need the user. So user equals await get user from clerk ID. And then analysis, that's the plural of analysis, I'm pretty sure, equals, we want to do Prisma here. So, all right, oops, why did I do that? That's not what I wanted. So it'll be Prisma dot analysis dot find mini. There we go. So we'll do find mini where. Okay. Let's go look at the schema. We're gonna have an issue here, right? So how do we know what analysis to get? And how do we get it? Like let's say we want to get all the analysis for a certain user. What is the query that we have to run to do that based off the analysis schema?
You have to grab every entry and then every...
Just grab like all entry where we have the clerk ID.
Yeah, you'd have to do that first, right? You have to say, give me all the entries for this user first, and then give me all the analysis IDs for all these entries. That's gross. We're not doing that.
Does Prisma have a type of join?
Does what?
Does Prisma have a type of join?
They do, but you have to have that relationship set up. So we actually have to go back and set up a relationship for all of these. So we need all of our analysis to know about the user in which they belong to. So let's go back and do that. And of course, this is 100% going to break our database. So we will probably be dropping the database and coming back and adding new stuff. That's okay. I'll have ChatGPT write me out some journal entries or something. It's so much better at it than me. Okay, so let's do that. So let's just say, cool, user ID, that's a string. And then we have user, which is type user, and it's a relationship that has a fields of user ID and a reference of ID and a on delete of cascade. So we got that. And then we'll have to index this so we can actually use it. So I guess the best way we can do it is I wonder if I put this here, would I be able to use it by itself? I don't know. I'm just gonna say index user ID. And then we just gotta go back to the user side and add the other side of the relation on the user. So now a user also has analysis. Like that. I'm gonna make that optional. Well, I guess it'll be that. What am I doing? Wait, go back. There we go. Maybe a bunch of analysis. Cool. Now let's go ahead and watch what happens when Prisma says that this is you can't fix this. So let's see. It's gonna say, yeah, you added this thing and it's required, and there's already 3 analysis in your database, so this is just not possible to execute. But I'll do it if you're okay with me just completely dropping the database. So I'm like, yeah, go ahead, drop the database. So now we have nothing in our database. So I can't even log into the app right now. So I got to just gonna go home, and I'm going to clear all my stuff. Just moving on out, clear all my stuff, do that. Okay. And I'm also going to restart my app because I did some database stuff, and it won't be good if you don't. All right. So we got that. give you all some time to do that. I won't do anything other than just logging in. Hopefully all this still works. We haven't done it in a while. Oh, it still works. And we're back to where we started. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, oh, I got my unfortunate day one right here. I'm just copying. This one was good. So actually I made a happy one too. So just to even it out. So, to be fair. And what's funny is that this one carried over from the previous one. It was the first sentence. Today was a remarkable turnaround from yesterday's debacle. When I saw that, I was like, wait, this could be a story. I should just keep asking it. Like, so what happened today? Oh, really? And what else? Like this is good. I could turn this into a video. It's like a TV show. Every day I just generate a new one and make a video out of it. You just tune in and see what happens. You just don't know what's going to happen. It's hilarious. Anyway, so we got that. I'll make a new entry here. Okay, what do we get? We got an error here. 500 for entry. What is this? Oh yeah, so we got to go back. This makes sense. We need to go back and add all the stuff. We got to add the user now, right? We added the user to the analyze, but we didn't add it in our query, right? So if we go back to where we're making the analyze on the post request to a new entry, we don't add the user ID here. So we have to do that now. That makes sense. So we'll do that. And then we need to...
Sorry, where do you just go to do that?
Sorry, yeah. So that will be an API journal route.tss in the post request in which we make a new entry. Inside the prisma.analysis.create, you need to also pass in the user ID because now an analysis has to have a user ID on it, which is what just failed. I think that's everywhere we need to add it. We should have to add it on update because it should already be there. Well, no, that's wrong because we do an upsert. So we have to add it in upsert as well, just in case. So we got to go into the upsert inside the create and do user.id as well here, just in case that happens. Awesome. That should fix that. Yeah, I guess it did. It just did it. So for this summer,
Yeah, I got this too.
let's see. This is, why would we get this? I think this one just broke because that one didn't have an analysis on it. So I think that's going to be the only broken one. But I think if I make another one, it should be good. Let's see. I don't know why that takes forever sometimes. We'll try that again. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So that one broke because it created the entry, but then the analysis query after that failed. So the entry was there, but it doesn't have an analysis. So that one's like broken. I'm going to clean that one up in a minute. But yeah.
My analysis just isn't working somewhere under the hood.
We'll put that in there. See what it's talking about. Oh, this thing's like lagging behind. Cool. Okay. One of those days. Oh my goodness. A day filled with miseries and trials, but with a glimmer of hope for tomorrow. Whew. Oh my goodness. That is funny. Let's make another one. I'm gonna go grab the happy one.
Pretty creative for temperature zero.
I know. Well, no, the ChatGPT is not
Oh,
temperature
just
zero.
doing
Yeah, this one's like something else. That's so funny though.
Is it the summary?
Can
Can you continue the thread for the rest of the
Yeah.
entries? Be like, one more paragraph about
Yeah.
the 15th of June. One more.
I'm like, and what, oh, a remarkable turnaround.
You know?
Oh, it's so good. We'll just do one more. We'll just do one more.
The first rays of dawn painted the sky with hues of wonder.
We'll do one more here. One more. I'll just have it. I'll just do another one. Okay, this is great. What happened last night? Make a entry about that. Be short. Ah man, I hope this is good. And calm. Wow. Wow. Okay. Got it. You are just in your feelings. I get it. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Maybe this is Drake's journal.
It's Drake's journal.
There you go.
It's Drake's journal.
Great.
That makes sense. Tranquil. Tranquil. Wow. You know what? That color is pretty tranquil. Like, I don't know why, but that's the right color right there. I don't know why, but they picked a really good color for that. Retreating to my study. Found solace in surrendering to rest after a trying day. Oh my God, that's so good. Okay, I think we're good there. I do have to delete the other one, otherwise it's just gonna break everything. So I'm gonna go do that in Prisma. Stop that and start it again. So hopefully it's this one. You can see it doesn't have one. It's like grayed out. So I'll delete that one. Okay, cool. Good there.